Greetings from NeuronThemes. In today's video, we are going to walk you through how to set conditions when creating a template. This extraordinary feature allows you to include or exclude templates from certain pages on your website. It speeds up your workflow, and it's super easy to work with. By using the global templates like headers and footers, you can implement them across your website or on any specific pages you assign them to. How do you do that? Meet the Conditions tab. From here, you can define exactly which template will be assigned in a certain page, category, or taxonomy. Notice on our previous videos that when working with templates, each time when you finish a template design after you hit publish, the conditions window will pop up. You have two choices. You can save the design without conditions, or you can add the rules of conditions. If you want your design template to be shown all across the entire website, like our beautiful header here, we will assign it to be included in the entire site and then click Publish. The changes will take place accordingly, showing you your new header. You can explore further the Conditions tab. You can specify your template if you choose singular and define the conditions further by selecting either post, category, tax, or any other taxonomies. You can also combine the conditions. To add one, click on Add Condition. Each setting will allow you to either include or exclude a condition, and if you wish to delete a condition, press the X icon. We've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay updated with the latest tutorials.